Going on, everyone? It's John with DeRo Outdoors. I'm here at Big Lagoon State Park in the westernmost part of Florida, practically Alabama. Here to do a little camping to start off the new year. Got with me today Swifty, she calls herself. And are you ready to go camping?
Yes, but it's definitely gonna be cold.
It's gonna be cold tonight. All we have is a tent, so hopefully we make it. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get this truck unloaded, get the campsite set up, and then figure it out from there. Let's do it.
Yeah, good catch.
Oh man, check that out. All right, what do we got, Swifty? What's the first thing we should get?
Probably like the live shrimp or the 50.
Yeah, put the live shrimp so we can get to the tent, because the first thing we should probably set up is the tent.
Yeah, and we should probably set up fishing stuff too.
Yeah, we'll do that in a minute. All right, let's get the tent set up. You want to help me? I could use your help.
I'll get that car.
Okay. Good. This is the camp kitchen. I'm excited to use it. A nice little dinner area. Got the pre-chopped firewood. Gonna get that set up. And that's about it. I'm gonna go climb the observation deck.
And also there's different levels.
Yeah. That's where we might have to go over there. Oh, I got a big head. It's not pretty good. All right, cool.
Good deal.
Very good view. Gulf of Mexico, Intercoastal, Perdido Key. Alright, I made it to the sundown fishing spot. Past the guy, they said they weren't having much luck, so not a good sign, but it's beautiful out. We're just gonna do a little bit of fishing and see if we catch anything. Alright, that's the end of that. It's cold. You gotta start a fire, maybe catch a stargazing club, I'm not sure. Look at that. Beautiful sunset. Gulf of Mexico, Intercoastal. Awesome. And then they call him Fred, we call him Barry. What's up, Barry? Hoo-wee. Alright, it's nighttime. We're back at the campsite. We got dinner, cooling off, the instant lunch ramen noodles. I got the spicy shrimp. She's got the roasted chicken. We're gonna try and get this fire started real quick. Oh, we did not succeed with the fire starter thingies. I've done it before, but I'm gonna have to keep practicing. So we resort to matches. Hold that.
I need the skinnies and smalls.
Oh, look how tiny these ones are. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at these.
You can also probably tear pieces off of it. Oh, I'll just get that one. Definitely gotta grill.
Let's see what happens with this bad boy. You ready to go eat?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna go.
Eat our ramen.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat and then make sure this fire gets bigger, and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay. Okay. A little flashlight action. We're going to bed. It's 48 degrees out. We did some ramen for dinner, some s'mores on the fire pit, and some nice hot cocoa. And now it's too cold. Fire's out. Good night. See you in the morning. Whew. It's the morning now. We made it through the night. It got down to 44. Beautiful morning here at the park. Gonna eat some breakfast. Made us some sausage biscuits with the camp kitchen. I got some instant coffee, and the fire is rolling already. So we'll eat up, pack up, maybe run down, use some of the shrimp I got left over, and then we'll call it a day. All right, let's go for a bike ride, and then maybe I'll put on some music to it. Whoa. gonna go over there. That thing on the way back. Okay. Oh, look at that, an armadillo crossing the road. We've seen so many of those. Oh, there's a bunch of cars coming. Go to the left. All right, we made it. Let's get these bikes packed up and head home. That'll hold. Yep, interstate ready.
In the old days, you could walk across the top of the sand and it would squeak, and you could walk on top. Now it's people don't recognize that.
All right, that's it for the camping trip. We're heading home. I had fun. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes. Next time, see you later.